Hello and welcome. I hope you're all keeping safe and well during this lockdown. If you ever thought about learning Irish music, or if you know it a little bit, particularly the tin whistle, now might be a very good opportunity to do so. And the most important thing, I suppose, with learning any kind of music is to listen, and listen deeply. You need to listen, maybe pick a particular piece, listen so much that you can play it back in your head. And as you are listening, you're picking up things that you wouldn't normally be even aware of, but they're all part of the music, the sound, if you like, of traditional music. We're going to go through the very basics of the tin whistle, and hopefully you'll be able to figure things out. Maybe we'll be able to do a second or third video depending on how things are going. I'll provide you with a recording of the tune so that you don't have to look at me every time you want to pick up the melody. And I'll provide the notation as well. So just a very basic introduction to the tin whistle. If you're right-handed, you actually put your left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. You just blow and lift off one finger at a time. For the second octave, you blow a little bit harder, and it's the same fingering, and so on. So the tune we're going to do is called the Blarney Pilgrim. It's a double jig, and it's we'll do a simple version. And maybe we'll finish up with a version with a bit more flair, maybe normal tempo. So here we go.